Did you think creating a consistent AI influencer would be easy? I did. I spent months trying every AI tool on the market and generated over 5,000 images myself, but it was such a struggle. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter from the start. The biggest issue with AI influencers is character consistency. One photo of your character looks amazing. The next photo, they look like a completely different person. It's literally the reason why 99% of people give up before they even get started. But then I discovered OpenArt's consistent character feature combined with Nano Banana's automation, and everything changed. This combination creates flawless AI influencers that look identical in every single photo. So to help you create your own AI influencer easier, here are 5 simple steps I learned that will help you build a consistent character that could potentially earn income just like Aitana Lopez, who makes over $10,000 a month. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, automate, and scale your AI influencer without any of the headaches I went through. Step 1. Create your perfect AI avatar. Let's start with the foundation, creating that perfect looking avatar that doesn't scream, "I'm AI generated." When I first tried this, I made the mistake of using basic prompts like blonde woman in summer dress. The results were super plasticky and fake looking. But when I got specific about every single feature, the magic happened. And here's exactly how you can create your own avatar. First, you'll need to open your account on OpenArt. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can easily create one by going to their website, or even faster, by clicking the link in my description. That link will take you directly to the sign up page so you can get started right away. Once your account is set up and ready, we can move on to creating our influencer. The first step is to go to the images section in OpenArt. Here, you'll see an option to create image. Click on that to start. To make sure we're generating our images using Google's new Nano Banana integration, we need to select model or character first, and then choose Nano Banana from the options that appear. After that, it's time to add your prompt. Now here's the secret, be extremely detailed in your prompt. Instead of a brunette woman, describe exactly what she looks like. A 24-year-old woman with shoulder-length brunette hair, bright brown eyes, defined cheekbones, wearing a simple white t-shirt, natural makeup with pink lips, soft lighting, professional headshot style. And you will get your amazing result without any inconsistency on it. Step 2. Upscale for professional quality. Here's where most people mess up big time. They skip the quality enhancement step. I used to think my blurry reference images were good enough, but when I compared my results before and after upscaling, it was literally night and day, the difference between amateur and professional quality. Once you have your image, go to OpenArt's Upscale feature and click Choose Upscale Mode. Select 4x plus face. This makes your image crystal clear and professional looking. Click Upscale and wait about 10 seconds. You can check the before and after comparison on the top left. This high quality image becomes your core reference for everything else. So this step is absolutely crucial for consistency. Step 3, create diverse lifestyle content. This is where your AI influencer transforms from a single image into a living, breathing personality. I used to create the same boring headshots over and over. This is where OpenArt totally outshines every other AI tool on the market. Other platforms just use reference images and hope for the best, but OpenArt actually trains a dedicated AI model specifically for your character. It's like having a professional team that remembers every single detail about your influencer. Go back to OpenArt's homepage and find consistent character and upload a clear photo of the influencer you want your avatar to resemble. Make sure the face is visible and well lit, because this helps the tool create a more accurate character. Once you upload the photo, the tool will take a few minutes to process it and generate your character. You'll see your character appear on the screen once it's ready. After your character is created, you can use it as a base for generating new images. This is super important because it ensures that every new image you make stays 100% consistent with the same facial features, hairstyle, and overall style. From here, you can start exploring variations, different outfits, poses, backgrounds, or even expressions while keeping your influencer looking exactly the same. Using this method makes it easy to build a complete and cohesive set of images for your influencer. Whether it's for social media, storybooks, or any other project, you'll always have a strong, consistent character to work from. This feature is honestly what separates OpenArt from every other AI tool. It almost never fails. so you never need to worry about character consistency again. Now it's time to build your influencer's lifestyle portfolio. Think about what real influencers post about: daily routines, fashion, food, travel, workouts. Create prompts for different scenarios. Enjoying morning coffee at a trendy cafe. Working out at the gym in athletic wear. Here's the key. Always include this exact phrase at the end of every prompt. Maintain the exact facial features and bone structure. This ensures your character looks identical across all scenarios. Aim for at least 20 to 30 different lifestyle scenarios to give your influencer depth and authenticity. Remember, successful AI influencers aren't just pretty faces. They have personalities, interests, and lifestyles that people want to follow. Bring your influencer to life with animation. This is where your static AI influencer becomes absolutely mesmerizing and gets the engagement that leads to real income. I was getting decent likes on my static posts, but when I started using OpenArt's image to video feature, my engagement literally exploded. People couldn't scroll past these moving, breathing characters. They look so incredibly real and captivating. Go to your character section and select your best lifestyle images. Click on Image to Video in OpenArt's menu. This is where the magic happens. Your static influencer comes to life with subtle movements, blinking, hair flowing in the breeze, or gentle head movements. Start with simple animations, a gentle smile appearing, eyes blinking naturally, or hair moving softly. These micro movements make your character feel incredibly human and alive. And to do this, we just have to add the prompt for what we want our influencer to do and choose the length of the video. You want movement that enhances realism, not screams, "I'm AI generated." Think gentle, natural human movements rather than dramatic animations. Export these as short video clips perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Moving content gets 5 times more engagement than static posts, and that engagement is what attracts brand partnerships and monetization opportunities. Now, all that's left is to download our videos and photos to use them with our AI influencer. I know some of you might be thinking, this sounds expensive, or I'm not tech savvy enough. Let me be totally honest with you. Traditional influencer marketing costs businesses $100 to $1,000 per post. Hiring photographers, models, and content creators adds up super quickly. With OpenArt's Pro plan, you're looking at a fraction of that cost while having complete creative control. And if you're worried about the learning curve, remember, I showed you exactly what to do step by step. You don't need to be a tech genius. Just follow these exact steps and you'll get professional results. The biggest objection I hear is, will people know it's AI? Honestly, when done right with OpenArt's consistent character feature, the results are so realistic that most people can't tell the difference. That's the power of using professional-grade AI tools. Look, AI influencers like Aitana Lopez are making crazy amounts of money because they invested in the right tools from the start. She wasn't created with some free AI platform. She was built using professional AI models that maintain perfect character consistency. If you want to create an AI influencer that could potentially generate income, you need access to the best tools available. That's exactly what OpenArt's consistent character feature provides. With OpenArt's Pro plan, you can actually train multiple characters, so you can experiment and find what works best for your niche. I'm not saying this will make you the next Aitana Lopez overnight, but I am saying that if you're serious about creating AI influencers that look professional and consistent, this is the only platform I found that actually delivers on that promise. Click the link in my description to try OpenArt for yourself. And if you want to see me create multiple consistent characters in just 5 minutes, check out my next video where I show you advanced animation techniques. Don't wait to start building your AI influencer empire today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.